Hi, welcome to Jointgo Factory. Today we will test the quality and material of our knob. Its model number is DG6400473A. Now we will fasten it on the machine. Let's cut the knob with the electric saw. This stove knob matches the original one. Its function is same as the original burner knob dial on Samsung range oven. Our knob is made of 100% metal. It is more durable than the original knob. Functional equivalent to prior parts. The worker is about to finish cutting. We can clearly see the internal structure of the knob. Made of highly durable metals, rigorously tested. Welcome to test our product quality. See you next time.